beautiful Wellington. Hi, welcome back to my page. This is Lily. Look at this beautiful place. Here comes Michelle and Bubba, and there's Leroy, and they're over here from Sydney, and we're all in Wellington. We are in Wellington on holiday with them, and this is beautiful Wellington City. Son, what suburb is this?
This is CBD.
Oh, this is the CBD. Wellington City. Beautiful place.
I think
This is beautiful. Look at the hills. See all the... This is a very beautiful place where we had a beautiful day. Lovely here at the CBD in Wellington. So much to see. So much to do. And we're still on our travels, and we're heading up to Taranaki after this. So beautiful Wellington. I would like to be back here again. I wouldn't mind coming back to Wellington. It's a beautiful place. And there's still so much to see, but we've only got like a few hours. Yes. So if you're ever out in New Zealand, travelling on holiday, come down to CBD, Wellington, come down to Wellington and see. It's not always windy. It's a bit windy, but not that bad today, so it's beautiful. Lovely out here on the waterfront. Okay.